succeed. If you don't give up hope, one day you will succeed. Succeed, succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Succeed, oh succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Life is full of ups and downs. Today you are up, tomorrow you could be down. Trials will come, temptations will come in this life's journey. Oh, some people will walk against you. They want to see you fall, to see your downfall. But you must try to stand tall so that you don't fall. Oh.
She just came briefly.
Oh, no, I think I'm okay.
Okay. Yeah. This is Peace. Peace is my baby's sister. She's my sister-in-law. And this is that's my bad. This is Nkechi. My boss. We're besties. We go way back here. Yeah. Nice to. Very true. Yeah, but it was
It came to the end. I don't need to introduce them to me. You already know her.
Oh yes, I think I've met you twice here, right? Oh yes, you're right. Twice. Of course, I'm always.
So let me do the introduction to Nkechi. Nkechi meets Antonia, my best friend, who do not want to always come in visit you.
Come in. Should I say nice to meet you?
Whatever.
Auntie, Auntie, yeah, Auntie, and she had ship around.
Yeah, I have a little pain in my hand. I just managed to shake a piece up. Sorry, let me see. Like this help.
You know, I remember. She told me that she had this store.
Yeah.
So in her hand or so. You can actually pattern her. You know how it is. Don't start with her. Yeah, sure. Yeah, of course I'll make sure of you. I will make sure that. All right. Until I'll see you soon. Okay, I'll come in. I'll be back. Okay.
Antonia, is anything going on between you and Doris Fred? Raymond?
Yeah, my baby.
Thank you so much for the treat. I really enjoyed it.
I'm happy you did. Okay? You don't have to say that, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You know, your generosity and your kindness towards me will not be taken for granted. I promise you. You have done a lot for me. And because of that, as soon as the contract I'm pursuing clicks, I will take you around the world.
Oh my God, I can't wait, my dear. You know, it has always been my dream to go to my childhood desire places, you know, to around the country, and I'm happy you're going to make that one.
Oh, sure. I will surely make it happen. Your dream will come true, okay?
Thank you, baby.
Yeah, you're my angel. You know you're my angel.
I know.
And you're my sugar. And you're my honey.
Mm-hmm.
And you're my lollipop.
Just like that.
Yeah.
With hope,
I love you.
You can cope. Don't give up hope. One day you will succeed. If you don't give up hope, one day you will succeed. Succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Succeed, oh succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Life is full of ups and downs. Today you are up, tomorrow you could be down.
So I'll see you later.
Okay, you take care of yourself, huh?
Okay. Bye.
Wow.
Raymond.
So this is it, right?
Antonia, how you doing?
Coach is the reason why you've been avoiding my calls.
Oh, she? No, I just take her to where she don't know. You know, she's new in this town.
You can tell that to the birds. Raymond, the way you hugged her, and look at her makeup in your mouth. And you're telling me there's nothing between you guys.
Hey, baby. Just this is just a peaceful hug.
Really? You're talking to a baby, right?
Baby, calm down now. What's
Sit
up?
yourself. Excuse me. Don't ever touch me again. And don't even dare in your life call my line again.
Just like that?
Not even in your dream.
Baby.
Fuck you.
Baba.
Stop this car.
Babe, what is the...
I said stop this
What
car.
is your problem for crying out loud? Just because of saying you saw me with a gear. That's why just the other like this. Take come get in there.
I said stop this car.
Who said it? Who is who?
I said who is she?
Who is who?
Stop the car.
Why I stop this car?
Yes.
For what? If I need to stop this car, please, I go drop you fish.
Who is she?
Baby, please calm down now. How could they stop because of say see me with a woman? I want to say no because of this money why they ask you.
I can't believe that you still have the guts to open this your cheating mouth to say all this rubbish to me.
Babe, listen. May I tell you, okay? I've been mad. And bro, they run my van. Even though I cheat, but I no cheat. You only caught me with a woman. You don't see me doing anything. I just the para.
Just take it.
Please, if you don't want to give me this money, tell me. You tell me, are you giving this money or not? Are you giving to me or not?
You are so shameless. So after cheating on me, you still have the guts to open this thing that you call a mouth.
I'm a cheat.
So you've been using me just to rape me, right?
Babe, even your papa said they cheat. Your papa said they cheat. No man for this one when they cheat. No man for this one when they cheat.
You know what? Just go to hell.
Babe, what is for this?
Don't touch me.
Babe, why they para like this? Just because you saw me with a gear. That's why you're behaving like this. But let me tell you, no man when they cheat. Even your papa they cheat. Okay, because of me, when bro they see they run in my van.
Just look at you. You're so disgusting.
Me?
You know what? Just go to hell.
I should go to hell?
Yes.
You to go to hell. Yes, you to go to hell. You not collect me from somebody. You not from a gate collect me from. Just give me little money. I go to repair my car. I do.
Don't see this. I'm giving you no money. That's why your life is like this.
Don't give me. Carry your money go. Okay? Look at this girl. Restore me from another girl.
Shut up and get out.
Another girl. So you can't come another girl after this girl. I mean, carry your money go. Okay? Carry your money go. God, look at this. Damn. Why got the service? I did got the shout. I don't go, man. Car.
Right.
Your papa there, my friend, get out! Get out!
Carry this your bungalow and leave.
And then go!
Carry this your bungalow and leave. Only, you want to rip your head full. Only, beat your bloody cheek. But carry this your bungalow away from here.
Girl, come. What's some this drama? What's this? You know I don't like drama. What's up?
That job fought to me because of him. That dirty thing.
Oh, is that the girl? The girl that told me caused your breakup with Raymond?
Yes. Oh, yes.
You know,
Seeing that girl here, I just feel like punching her eye.
no. You wouldn't do that. You can't do that. This is my boyfriend's place. You can't. Oh, no, don't do that shit. No.
Look how we're talking. Because I know if you were the one, I know what you would have done to me.
I know you. Say you don't know me. You don't know me, girl. Listen, my madness gets limits. I've got class. I don't fight dirty, and you know that. Yes, of course, girl.
Maybe I don't really know you.
Calm down. Serious enough. Forget about this girl. She's dirty.
Did I tell you the truth? You and Raymond were not meant to be. Trust me.
I've actually forgotten about him. As far as I'm concerned, he's a history to be told.
I mean, look at you, look at her. You have class, she doesn't. So, besides, you and Raymond, you guys are not meant to be with each other. And come on, babe, look at you. And look at you, look at her. Have you seen some class?
You're right.
I know, bro. We don't fight dirty. Get into the car. That's my girl. I don't play dirty, girl. I don't play dirty. I move with class. I move with standard. I don't do dirt.
So what should I get for you to drink?
Whatever.
Your favorite? Okay, Sarah. I'll stop you. Thank you. Okay, I'm coming.
All right, I'm waiting.
Ah.
Peace, you call me, man.
Yes, Clifford. Where is Hope? Okay, I haven't seen him since I returned.
Okay, Hope. Madam, can we go their place, so? But if Dennis say no, will stay long. I don't know why they never come back till now.
Why will Hope go to their place without telling me? I don't understand. How? Even if I'm not around, he would have called me on the phone.
And then I true you talk, so madam, I true you talk. But maybe things say go come back before you.
Then can you? 8 missed calls. 6 from Hope. 2 from my father. Clifford, you can go.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Daddy. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I missed your call. My phone was on silent. Good news? What good news, Dad? Okay, then I'll wait for you. When you come home, can't wait to hear the good news. Bye, love you.
Yes. Put down. I had that.
You were listening. Let me call.
Yeah.
Barry. Yeah, it's dead, not a river. Or
His number is switched off.
Really?
Yes, I'm trying to get out. His number is switched off.
Why aren't you sending a test?
He's just enjoying yourself.
I just like the mixture in very nice.
Thank you so much for the same about.
I almost put off the Jane.
you shut that all?
Yeah, I did. Just check to confirm.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
You're fit. Yeah, I'm in the house. But I'm unable to enter inside my house because I left my key at my working place. Where are you? The police station. Doing what? What? Wait. You mean those boys that held me hostage has been apprehended? Which police station? Okay, send me the address. I'm on my way now. I'll come. Whopper. Hello, peace. Please, calm down. I am so sorry, my dear. I couldn't just wait for you. Yes, something urgent came up, so I need to rush out. Faith called me now to tell me that those boys that held me hostage have been apprehended. They're at the police station right now. No, I don't know the place. I asked her to send me the location. Yes. Yeah, once I get the location, I'll send it to you. I'm going there right now. I'm sorry, okay? It's okay. Thank you so much. I'll see you. Bye.
Hope is a good thing to have when there is life.
Yes. I got a text message about my way. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hold my back.
Don't give up hope. One day you will succeed. Succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Succeed, oh succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Life is full of ups and downs. Today you are up, tomorrow you could be down. Trials will come, temptations will come in this life's journey. Oh, some people will.
Yeah, I was busy when you called. Well, I'm just getting home now. Let me do one or two things, and I'll call you back. But then I want to know, is it not something that we can talk on the phone? So what's so important that we cannot talk over the phone? Is Lucas maltreating you? Well, that won't be today. Let's see, maybe tomorrow or next. I'm very busy at the moment. I'll check.
Yes, I want to quickly see you about the station. Please, can I use one car?
Yeah, you can. Is everything well?
Hey, if I come back, I'll tell you now.
Some people will walk against you. They want to see you fall, to see your downfall. But you must try to stand tall, so that you don't fall. Iwe onilanya dema. Hope is a good thing to have when there is life. There is hope. With hope you can cope. Don't give up hope, one day you will succeed. Don't give up hope, one day you will succeed. Succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Succeed, oh succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Owanka Uwadiegu. Some people will single you out to push you out of a good position into a bad condition. They will always wrongly accuse you, insult you and maltreat you. But you must try to stand tall.
Good afternoon, this. How are you?
I'm fine.
Why is your face like this?
I'm okay, and I'm doing back. I'm fine.
Actually, I'm in a hurry. I would have dropped her. But I'm never home to fix it. Here, just take this spiritual spaghetti.
Thank you.
Take this. I'm keeping it to you for your transport, except because I'm an enemy.
Thank you.
What's straight?
I'll be expecting your move.
And I'll call you later to know where you're going to, okay? We share. Oh, Victor.
Thank you, girl.
Try to stand tall so that you don't fall. So that you don't follow. Iwe onlanya dema. Hope is a good thing to have. When there is a life, there is hope. With hope, you can cope. Don't give up hope, or one day you will succeed. Succeed. Don't give up hope. One day you will succeed. Succeed. Succeed.
Lucas,
Yes, that's my name.
I have told you not to dare ask me for money again. And why the hell are you calling me at odd hours? Huh? Why are you calling me?
I didn't say you did joke. I thought you were just doing this.
What nonsense joke are you talking about? Listen up, we have to put an end to this deal. Now. ASAP.
I'm really talk to it. Like, I don't understand. So you did that before? You just had me, Lucas. You can't do that with you. Eh? Listen to me. You think you can just put me away? After the help I gave to you to make you and Kelvin to be more serious, you just want to push me away. No, now you know they happen now. No, now I don't pass that level. You don't fit one to me. Let's try that in a bear.
Excuse me, please, you're making noise. I don't understand where you're coming from. What are you trying to say?
I need money. Listen, you know I'm not working again. Ever since I left the house, I don't have access to cash. I don't have access to money. I need money now. What do I need with that? How do you know that Sandra is pregnant? I need money to take care of her pregnancy.
Excuse you the hell out of me. How is that my responsibility? No, tell me, how is that my responsibility? That she gave Bele, how is that my business? That she is pregnant, how does that concern me? When you were giving it with her, did you consult me? No, did you?
You won't provoke me now. You see this pathway you enter, eh? Now the pathway you won't touch that thing where they control my brain. When I consult you, when I was doing what I did with Sandra with you, did you consult Kelvin? No, did you tell Kelvin we were having something? Eh? Now still you. Now you carry your mouth. Go tell Oga Nancy, say Sandra get belly for me. Now you go run a pattern. Eh? Now when you don't run a pattern now, even Sandra know the help issue. Sandra should remove the pregnancy. You go to give me 10 commandments. That shall not remove pregnancy. What the road that thing now? Now me I won't burn the cable. I won't scatter my dada. You know they happen. Not try me.
That gives you both a reasonable amount so you can live your lives very well. How does this affect you? For all I know, I did well in my own part of the bargain. I kept my own part of the bargain.
What bargain are you talking about? What bargain are you talking about? The bargain where you gave me 200,000. But what did you do? You go to spread the money earlier now. And today you go collect, look, I'm going to collect 1,000. You're going to collect 10,000. I could not use that money for any reasonable purpose. You scattered the whole money. And you are here ranting at me. Let me prepare, so let me prepare.
So tell me, how much do you want now?
You see this part where you talk so? Now the English, when I will hear that. Now this English that end dictionary. How much do you want? A sweet English. Now you listen to the cocoa. I want you to be my ATM machine. My own ATM machine. No, I'm a go breaker. Calm down, not carry swear. Whenever I run out of cash, anytime when I want money, I go call you, you go wire me. I wait, I want you to be that.
Are you mad? No, you did Chris? Bomb did your head. Oh, because I did follow you speak English. You did Chris? Eh? Guy, you did mad. In fact, you're a born bastard. What do you think? I'm a bank account, you can deposit money and take money and are you okay? You know what? No, you know that? You can go to hell and burn to ashes. Do what you want to do.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Not like you serious now.
Yes, do what you want to do.
That is my mouth go real like that now. Kelvin, go hear what happen between me and you.
Go ahead. Go ahead ahead. That is if he will believe you anyways.
But how about talk to Mama understand?
Get out of my car.
I should get out.
Get out.
I should get out.
Get out.
When do you think I get out?
Get out of my car. Get out of my car.
You can hear her now.
I said get out.
Play a seat in the eye.
Get out.
I can play for you.
Idiots. Look at you. Idiots. Brave it. Wow. Well, I'm taking. So unlike hearing that you express the way you do it. What the story in the vibe?
Gina actually went for a job interview this morning. And guess what, baby?
No.
You got Congratulations. Oh, I think you could do it. Now you see your BS is in the waist, yeah?
Not at all, though.
Not congratulations. We need to celebrate it. Let me just get my knees.
Easy. We will celebrate. What about Hope?
Hope is still at work. He will be staying there more often.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's all right. In fact, I did actually heard about Uche's arrest.
Huh.
What happened?
Lydia, he got what he deserved. Do you know that Uche was the mastermind behind everything that happened with Hope?
Are you serious?
Not only that, do you know that on several occasions, Uche vowed to my face that he would not be in this same neighborhood and watch another man take me from him. Like he's my husband or boyfriend or father. I don't even understand, but that's not it. I had this hunch that something was fishy. So I decided to take up the case. I cunningly and deceptively tricked him into answering some questions. And guess what? He opened up and spilled the things. Like, he said everything. Not just that. Guess what? Even things I knew nothing about came to light. And thank God, though. Thank God you no longer associate yourself with him.
Come on, trust me, darling. I became a part of such an association. I did everything I could to make Uche see reasons with me and why he should stop those things he did with Hope.
I mean,
He turned his back at me and he was calling me all sort of names. Which of all people feel? Okay, even at that, please, I just want to plead on his behalf. You people shouldn't allow him to be there for too long.
what has that got to do with me? Please, that one belongs to Hope. Please tell Hope not to.
Come on, he can still do something about this thing. I'm not saying he should be released now, don't get me wrong. By the time they eventually release him, at least he would have spent some time himself and then at the same time learned his lesson.
That people will learn any lesson at all.
You never can tell. You never can tell. Oh, look, I'm tired. I need to get back to the house, take some rest, freshen up, get something to eat.
You deserve it.
Then,
Congratulations.
Honestly.
Now you see your Diggy wasn't a waste.
Not at all. I cannot appreciate you and hope enough for everything you did for me.
That's okay.
Honestly, especially you. You were there for me when I needed you at all cost. And at the same time, you did actually counsel me why I should go get a BS degree, which I did.
You know what? I'm truly, truly happy for you. And I'm proud of what you're becoming. Yeah, not really. It's alright. Of course. Wow. I got you. I'm truly hoping. You look good, though. You're getting your body was getting fat. Wow. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. All right.
I thought, did they? Yeah. I was very happy for the outcome, as a matter of fact. Yes. You know, I was afraid initially because I thought they were not going to consider my proposal, being that it was submitted late. But having gone through it, they now found me worthy to be given the contract because they said everything was well detailed. I did the job. You don't want to trust anybody. Well, but my proposal was very detailed and they were inexperienced. They have no choice but to give it to me. My daughter, who prepared the proposal for me, in fact, it did take her up to 4 hours. You know me now, I'm very busy. I wouldn't have had time to do such a detailed work. You know? Yes. And faithful. All right then. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Take care. Yeah.
Then I can see you're very happy.
Yeah.
I am very happy, and it's all thanks to you.
You know it. You are supposed to be thanking Hook. He helped me out with the proposal. He was the one who did everything.
You mean Hope actually wrote that? Wow. This is very serious. I have a whole bundle of talented people around me. This calls for celebration. Huh?
So I should get your wine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Your favorite.
Exactly.
Okay, Dad.
Wow. But
And it's coming in the next pair.
You
That
right.
we said. When you hate
did you?
Wait, mate.
Oh, did
Hey,
yeah, I didn't win it.
the cakes are have to in there. You know, I'll go for that in front there.
Okay.
I could. Then like lying. Daddy, I have to take small quantity because it's my brain cannot carry alcohol. No. Cheers to a wonderful proposal and cheers to Hope who made it a success.
And to us too. Cheers.
To me, partial. You stayed so long in Friday's place. That asked after you.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
He wanted to tell you the good news that he got the contract. The one who wrote the proposal.
Okay. Good for him.
Maybe you congratulate him tomorrow morning when he's looking for work.
It's really not necessary.
Why?
All that cares is himself. He doesn't care about me, so why would I care about him getting a contract? So, no.
Kevin, you know that's not true.
That's true.
If you know Dad wants you to work for him, he wants you to work in the company.
That's the problem. I don't want to work in the company. I want to have my own business. I've said that to him severally, but he gives me excuse. The latest excuse right now is that I have to wait till Mom comes back. Like I'm a child. Like I need confirmation from Mom before he helps me to start a business.
Heavy, you will be a boss in the nearest future. You know that.
Well, I don't want to be answerable to any boss. I want to be my own boss, my own business, doing my own thing.
But Dad wants you to work in the company so you'll know the things that happens in the company. Then maybe when Dad resigns, you'll be the boss. You know that's the truth.
Oh no, maybe because I'm not his biological soul.
That's true. That's true.
If it's not true, then he should sponsor me in the business I want to do. It's very simple. Why making excuses?
Fine. Dad is going to give you the money you need to start up your own business. But first and foremost, you need to calm down. And erase such thoughts from your mind. Please.
Until then.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have to be sure of the information he's giving you. But what he told me is different from what they're telling me right now. Or because they don't bring the document to my office, let me have a look at them. Huh? I'll get out. So, a piece said you have arrested those behind your disappearance.
Yes, sir. That was since yesterday.
That's interesting. They should be made to pay for what they did. Yes. This mark on your face.
Okay, my birthmark.
Birthmark. Who is your mother?
My mother's name is Ebere. Late daughter of Ekene.
And you said you don't really know much about your father.
No, sir, I don't. But all I know is that his name is Nelson. Yes, Nelson Ibokwe.
Oh. Ebere. Daughter of.
You know, my father's name is Nelson and he's your namesake. But whenever I raise the topic, my mother feels emotional about it, but I'm yet to gather myself so I can go and make my findings to look for him, because I really want to see him face to face.
Ebere, daughter of Ekene. That name sounds familiar.
You mean Ebere Obi or Ekene Obi?
Oh, never mind. Let's talk about it when I'm less busy.
Okay, sir. So I hope you're okay. I hope everything is good.
Well, okay, no problem. Yeah, I'll see you later. Okay.
Good. Do have a nice day.
Thank you.
This life must balance, yo. One day, I got my one day, we will know who is who. Hey. Yes, life go balance.
I hope there's no problem. But my head record.
Of course you're not deaf. You're supposed to hear me call your name. These are my clothes. I want you to wash them very clean. And when I mean clean, sparkling clean. Now, I do not want you to make use of the washing machine. I don't like my clothes being washed with machines, okay? Am I clear? Are we clear? Huh?
Oh, God of mercy. It seems you love creating scene.
No. It's actually part of my hobby.
Oh, I thought that's not.
Of course. What? Why is the dining so messy? Why are the dishes on the dining room? What's going on? What is it?
Wait first. Wait. First, the shop.
I should shut up.
Wait. That dining... Hold on. I cleaned that dining. Oh, berries.
You did this, right?
Because I don't carry two pure people's food to his room. And those are the plates.
And what about it? You respect my baby, my sweetheart, my Prince Charming. To do the dishes for you, or you expect me to clean for you? As in what? Don't you know you're judge of this house? You're turning against the lazy man.
Did you see? I'm not saying that I will not wash or clean whatever. You bringing them to the table that I've already cleaned isn't proper. Because I know this is not Gary's handwork.
It's not only like that, it's proper fraction. Let me tell you something. If you don't answer, why don't you better ask the dishes themselves? Why ask the dishes?
No.
Hey, Helen.
No.
When is your ring? When is that? Amongst friends.
Doris. Order. Okay.
Madame Doris, leave Mr. Hope alone, oh, child. What
Did they?
Mr. Hope do to you?
Please, do you have any dirty clothes? Because I want to give my dirty clothes to Hope.
No, I don't. All my clothes are clean. But why though? You did that yesterday.
Babe, he didn't wash my clothes. Instead, he went out with Peace and they came back really late.
Really?
Yes.
Excuse me, I'm bit. What?
Hell to that.
Yeah, Lucas. What's up? I'm okay. Hi, Sandra. Yeah. What is fine? Doris? Oh, yeah, she's fine. She's here with me.
With the cake.
Why? Okay. Okay then. I'll see you then. I'll see you much later. But I hope there's no problem. Okay. Alright, bro. Okay, bye.
That was Lucas?
Oh yes. Said he wanted us to see it's got a private discussion. We wouldn't want to spill just both of us.
A private discussion? I mean, he could have just said it on the phone. Why does he want to see you? Does he have to see you?
I don't know, he insisted, and something happened a few days ago. Sandra called me and said he wanted us to have a confidential discussion, which I said the same thing. Can we talk about it on the phone? She said no. So I don't know.
Did they give you a clue or something?
No. All he said are the secret. We need to talk about it. But it's not big. I'll see them maybe tomorrow or so.
Private? I mean, what is so private that he wants to see? He can just tell you whatever it is on the phone. Why does he want to see you? He doesn't have to see you.
Exactly. And something happened a few days ago. Sandra called me and said he wanted us to see that it's a confidential discussion, which I suggested we talk about it on the phone, but she said no, it has to be private. And Lucas is saying the same thing.
Did they give you a clue or something?
Whoa.
Try the bell. I think that they can't.
Good day, Doris.
Good day, Sandra. How are you?
I'm fine. You asked me to meet you up here. I am there's no problem.
There is something I need you to tell me. I want to verify something from you. I just need you. You're the only person I know that can do this for me.
It's just that
I don't know why I feel like you know something about me and you're keeping it.
I don't understand what you're saying. Like, why would I keep something that I know about you to myself?
What would I gain by doing that? You should be the one answering that question, Sandra.
Teresa, I'm confused right now. I don't even know what you're talking about. Know something? See, I don't know who told you this, that I know something about you that I don't want to tell you. I think the best thing is for you to go and meet up the person that told you that I know something about you that I'm keeping to myself. Tell the person to come to me, confront me in your presence, because I think you should tell the person to come to me and confront me in your presence. Because, to be honest, I am confused right now. I don't know what you're talking about. Honestly, I have no clue or idea about this.
Sandra, you can go. Thank you.
Madame Doris, leave Mr. Hope alone, oh, child. What did Mr. Hope do to you that you hate him so much, yo? Dislike him so much, yo? Madam Doris, because Rabu Mr. Hope, Congo Merito Wiko. Every day, now Mr. Hope. Every night, now Mr. Hope. You accuse him falsely. You lie against Mr. Hope. Madam Doris, why
Succeed,
now?
oh, succeed. Echi ihe gadima.
Hello, Lucas. Please, where are you? How do you mean your location is not my business? Please, where are you? I want to know. I want to come there and... Hello? Hello? He hung up the phone on me.
But you must try to stand tall so that you don't
Do I call now?
follow.
Kelvin.
So that you don't follow. Ewo, iwe ulanya dema. Hope is a good thing to have when.
Hello? Kelvin? Where are you? No, nothing. I just wanted to know what you were up to and where you are. Oh, okay, that's good. How did your meeting with Lucas go? Okay, what about Sandra? Did he say she said anything? Okay. He never told you anything. Maybe like a clue or something. I mean, something to, put you through what's going on. Nothing much. No, sweetie, I'm just bothered, I know these things will be disturbing you, so I just wanted to, check up on you, nothing much. Alright, no problems. Alright, see you soon.
I thought you said you don't like literature.
I do. I used to be the best student in literature when I was in secondary school.
Really? So who's your favorite author?
Chinua Achebe.
Really? So what's your favorite Chinua Achebe's quote?
Among the evil, the act of conversation is regarded highly, and the proverbs are palm oil with which words are eatable.
Oh. Interesting.
And what's yours?
The world has no end. What is good among one people is considered an abomination with others.
You do not know me, said Duchess. I'm a changed man. I've learned that a man who makes trouble for others makes trouble for himself.
The world is like a max dancing. If you want to see it well, you didn't stand in place. Until the lions have their own historian. Completed.
And the history of the hunts will always glorify the hunter.
That will.
They hit it.
The greatest threat to freedom is the absence of criticism.
That's not Chinua Achebe's quote.
That's Wole Soyinka.
I know. There is something really horrific for any human being who feels he is being consumed by other people.
I am not happy with the way you're treating Doris. You have shown it disgrace in front of your friend.
You were not there when it all started, so why are you blaming me?
I saw when you pushed her to the ground.
And she was trying to stop me from separating the girls. And immediately she just pushed me, I fell on the floor. I stood up, I pushed her down, she fell too, and we started fighting.
Did you accord me that respect to call me at least?
God, that there someone must have gotten injured, right?
And no one got injured, right?
I don't know who I'm having this conversation with. Because I know at the end of the day, you will never tell any reason with me. Never. My friend is waiting for me. Let me go and see her. But don't know what I have a girlfriend. Going down and just said, you're walking out the girlfriend.
Oh, it will dema. Hope is a good thing to have. When there is life, there is hope. With hope, you can cope. Don't give up hope, one day you will succeed. If you don't give up hope, one day you will succeed. Succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Succeed, oh succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Life is full of ups and downs. Today you are up, tomorrow you could be down. Trials will come, temptations will come in this life's journey. Oh, some people will walk against you. They want to see you fall, to see your downfall. But you must try to stand tall, so that you don't fall. Iwe olilanya dema. Hope is a good thing to have. When there is life, there is hope. With hope, you can cope. Don't give up hope, oh, one day you will succeed. Don't give up hope, one day you will succeed. Succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Succeed, oh succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Owanka oh, Uadiego. Some people will single you out to push you out of a good position into a bad condition. They will always wrongly accuse you, insult you and maltreat you. But you must try to stand tall, so that you don't fall.
Yes, Antonia.
I just saw her off.
Yes, Doris and her friend.
She left also. I think Doris is taking her home.
I just hope they don't attack her on our way out.
No. Immediately we were coming out, we saw a cab that dropped someone by the next building. So they had to take the cab.
Doris and her friend, they are just so troublesome.
Please, you have to calm down, okay? If that comes out now, he might not like you in this mood.
Like that can is a bag of trouble.
She will swear.
Who is looking for what you did for?
Hello? What?
Kitty. In the hospital? Is Faith aware of that?
But I am so sorry. I didn't know that my phone was ringing. I'm so sorry. You know, there was an issue here, so I didn't take notice of that. Okay, please send me the address of the hospital, please. I'll be on my way.
What is it this time?
Faith's father is in the hospital. And yes, please, if Dad asks of me, please tell him that I got an urgent call. But I'll be back soon, okay?
Yeah.
Go sleep.
Hey.
Oh. What is it? You're looking really tense.
Did you not see any missed call on your phone?
I did. Yours and Dad.
Yeah, why didn't you call back?
Figured I already know what Dad wanted to tell me. But I didn't feel the need
Dad
to pick the
did
call.
not call you.
He did. Look at it. He actually did. He did. Listen. I know why you're driving and I am not ready to accept Mr. Madi as my counterpart. So please. Okay?
Another person used his phone to call you. Yes, I'm here to tell you that your father had an accident. I was rushed to the hospital. Okay? And his chance of survival is 50-50. I didn't fit to come and tell you because you're the daughter. I mean, he's not my father anyway. I'm just trying to help.
I think I'll ever be less than my bed. Can I personally with that? What is that I have left? Wait. Yeah. What hospital? Hold on. What hospital is it? Wait. Here. Oh. No. Mama. Dad. No one.
Involved in the first place.
Okay, I'm sorry. I just don't like the way they're playing you around. That's all.
Well, I don't think anybody's playing anyone here. I think maybe he traveled. He doesn't know how to tell me. So that is why I have to meet Sandra.
Babe, I'm sorry to say that. I'm sorry for saying that. I'm so sorry. But I just don't like the way they're playing you around.
Well, I don't really know what's going on, but nobody's playing anyone around here. I think maybe he traveled and doesn't know how to, tell me he's not in town. At least we're friends. Why?
Babe,
I don't know.
don't